Welcome.
Hello everybody, welcome to Seasparkles Corner. Today we're making barbecue.
Barbecue Szechuan chicken.
And I am making a rub with Lowry seasoning salt, maybe half a teaspoon meat tenderizer, just shake.
Send that over my way. The meat tenderizer.
And then
David, tell us what you're doing.
First things first, I'm getting out the Szechuan sauce. Just heads up, Szechuan sauce has got a lot of smack to it.
a little bit of salt.
That sea salt, be careful
Yeah.
if you're using sea salt.
And
Using regular salt, you'll have to up it.
And he put some honey,
A dash of honey barbecue sauce right now.
sweet rays.
Yeah, Sweet Ray's barbecue sauce. And ample amount of honey. Everybody's got different taste buds, okay? And of course, the meat tenderizer. Some nice shakes of that because I want to kind of collegiate. There we go.
And there's the chicken parts. And they're using Reynolds wraps. But use your own brand. We're not doing any brands.
Seriously? Nana. You ready to decline it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Call her back in the other and tell her.
Alright.
I'm videotaping.
Szechuan, we need some more barbecue.
okay. Let me know when you're ready to go.
There. Nice shot of barbecue
Doris,
sauce.
call her back and tell her I'll call her back. Did you got a few minutes? I'm recording. Take it in the other room, please. Thank you, honey.
Meat tenderizer.
Okay, because I'm recording what David's doing.
There we go. Alright, stir it up. That seasoned meat tenderizer. Okay, I have it now. Yep. Right on the money. You put a little shot of black pepper in there. Alright. Shot of black pepper. Just want a shot of it. And
Did you do it in my phone in case somebody else calls?
alright. Alright, baby.
Now you just simply just take it and
There's gloves right over there.
sprinkle a little bit of your mixture on it.
Use it and pinch.
And just rub your
Rinse the pot out.
You want to do it on the other side as well?
you don't have
Don't
to.
have to run down.
And then you just fold it.
Where's the railing stamp for the Instapot? It's on there.
I don't know, I have to find it in a second, David.
With Hamilton.
We're going to have leftover chicken.
Yep.
Basket. Found it.
And we're doing this in the Instant Pot, so probably 20 to 25 minutes.
Where at?
And just repeat your process until you get it.
It's a procedure. It's a procedure. See, you got your railing there. You got your wraps, your full wraps there. You put a little dash of water there, and you cook. It's easy. I didn't know that when I did the first video. I'm sorry. See, my Doris done that a few times. She knows what she's doing. I don't know what she's doing. I just stand here. I stand here to make her look good. See, I have no idea what we're doing in here. You see, I just fake it. I'm very good at faking it. You see, I just do this to make other people look good. I'm very good at faking it.
Well, I had never did a video before on, you know, that, so it was overdue.
I gotta so get us a good meat cleaver.
And this, I'm gonna give you a little secret. It's really spicy.
It's got a lot of hit to it.
So
You see, this has got a lot of hit to it. Boy, does it have hit to it.
This ain't gonna be spicy, is it?
this, you ate it before. Remember you said it was good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it was good, but
Is that what we had the other day? Oh, that
no,
was
this
good.
is a little different.
This is what we had the other day.
Yeah, but the other day I didn't use a Szechuan sauce. I used teriyaki instead.
You need more Reynolds wrap.
You use Szechuan sauce. 'Cause remember I asked you for
That was a few days ago.
Szechuan chicken.
Yeah. But that time around, that one was different though.
We just had to put a lot of brown sugar.
Brown sugar, honey, stuff like that was in that one. This one's different.
Did you hear that?
Whoops. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I just live here. I live here and just ad-lib everything. Oh, more wrap.
It's right there.
Yeah, I don't want to touch it with this on my hand. Give me you know, actually, just give me one great big piece. I'll do this all in one. There you go. That's good.
It's a wing, a leg, and a thigh. No,
Nobody's
that's
going to
a
want the
breast.
wings. Why don't we just throw those out? Throw them out.
You don't want the wings?
Nobody's going to want them.
We're gonna have to throw this outside, David.
I'll get a
Yeah.
mini bag.
Go get one of the Winn-Dixie bags. Walmart bags or something. And put it out in the trash. The trash already picked up.
We'll have a little bit.
You have to take it out to the street.
We'll have a
We'll
little.
have bones anyway, so we can put all the bones in there.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, we're gonna have to take that out anyway, because I tossed out pieces from the chicken when I cut it.
David.
Remember?
Don't waste that bag. Just take it and put it in there. I just changed trash.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
Alright. And that's it.
Tell us how you're gonna cook it in the
Instant.
It's all wet in there, baby.
Oh, is it? Okay.
That bag's toast.
Alright. So like I said, 20-25 minutes. You know.
And when you actually turn it on, you're gonna want to just put a little bit of water in there.
Yeah, not very much.
Not very much, just a bit though.
and what's the control you use for the Instant Pot?
Should have pulled the chicken on it. Yeah. This one you got.
Meat stew, porridge, meat stew.
But meat stew option on there. So it depends on your particular version of it.
Oh, yeah. How much is that?
You see, we got the little wire right there because your miles may vary. Just put a bit in there.